how to use your Android as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys right away. So yeah, let's get started. Now for some people you might already see portable hotspot right there, or Wi-Fi hotspot or whatever. For some people you may have to click on the connections and sharing, and then it should pop up somewhere right here. But yeah, basically you want to click on here and then just turn it on at the top. Once you've turned it on, you can also click on set up portable hotspot, and here you can change the SSID and the password, and yeah, that's basically it. Once you've done that, people can connect to your hotspot, and that's of course what you want. So I hope this super quick video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.